Hello, welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and this is my 16th vlog. I also wanted to say thank you to all the new people that have subscribed to my channel. I hit 4,000 subscribers, which is completely insane to me. But if you guys remember from my first vlog, my goal was to hit 1,000 by Christmas. So yeah. And I've only been doing this for 3-4 months now. I can't remember. So, I mean, thank you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for enjoying what I do. I truly appreciate it. I don't know, maybe it was my second vlog. I don't know. I said it somewhere in the first or second. I can't remember. So I went from having not that much to do. Now I'm back up to 30 orders in my queue again. So back to work, I guess. Back to work. We went to the zoo yesterday, which we have not been anywhere since March. And because our oldest is turning 12. So it was kind of like, it was a nice time, and it was really great because hardly anybody was there, which I also really liked. Typically when we go do things, especially here in Florida, it's like shoulder to shoulder with people. And I mean, it was really nice because you had to register and they're only allowed so many people in. So I felt very confident that everything would be okay. We wore our masks, we hand washed like 50 million times. So, but it's Sunday, and as you guys know, Sunday is pretty much my only day that I can spend the entire day in my craft room and bust out as much as I can because, my husband has off, and Saturdays is dedicated to spending time with family. And then all throughout the week, not only do I take care of the kids, but then I try to do a little bit of my job in between. So, I mean, I do get a little bit of stuff done, but Sunday is my day to just really get in there and get as much done as possible. My goal for today is to have my turners go at least 30 times today. So if I get in there now, get a coat on, get them going, take those off, 3 hours later, get another set on. I can do it. You guys see me do it before. I think I did 40 one day. So I have to use all my plungers, but it's okay. So I have my coffee, which, by the way, no, I made this one, obviously. My other tumblers that I purchased from my group members, I think I do have all of them. There is one that she's still working on, but I guess there's a hurricane right now. I live in Florida, so it's like, I don't know, we're kind of used to that stuff, but she had to prep her house and stuff, so I don't have that one yet, but I have all my tumblers, so I'm going to be showing you guys those probably this week sometime. So, but I have my coffee, this coffee for now. Oh, electricity's popping on. Oh, oh, good. Maybe the power will go out and my turners will stop. I don't know. Anyways, I have my coffee and I'm ready to wake, prep, and slay all day. Let's do this. My husband had set everything out the night before for me in line with my queue, so that way I could kind of just get in there and just start first thing in the morning doing what I needed to do. That was very sweet of him. I kind of started off a little rough here. I was dumping stuff and things were all over the place. So I have a ton of my Witch's Brew tumblers that I had to do. And I made a rookie move and I did up a whole bunch of epoxy, not remembering that the thicker the epoxy, the faster it dries. So I guess I gotta redo that. Jeez. So yeah, as you can see from that cup of epoxy, because it tends to shrink whenever it cures, it just kind of sucked my cup in and went ahead and cured on its own before I could even do anything with it. So I gotta still redo that stuff. I went ahead and just moved forward with the other things that still need to be glittered and put on my turner. So that's what I'm doing here. See, I'm not perfect, guys. I'm just like everybody else. We have good days, we have bad days, But we still get in there and we still make beautiful things, and that's all that matters. So anyways, the things that really sell in my shop are obviously the two-tone ombres. Now, after years of selling, you know, I've gone in and out of things that I've sold that didn't sell, but what always sticks are ombres. So that's why I really enjoy doing these chunky bottomed ombres. Another thing I've noticed are people are starting to buy darker colors again. So I have like plums and reds and stuff like that. And typically they don't really sell in the summer, but once autumn is around the corner, that's when they start to pick up in sales again. So those are starting to pick up speed once again. Okay, all that's done. I think I'm gonna come out and enjoy the sun rising for a minute. I still have some more stuff I gotta do, and I'm actually shocked that nobody else is awake yet. But now that I said that, they'll probably all wake up. So, so I'm gonna take a quick break and then I'll get back to it. Good morning.
We went to the zoo yesterday.
Yes, we went to the zoo yesterday. Do you wanna show them what you got? A bubble wand. What every child needs, right? Did you sleep good?
Yeah.
Did you have good dreams?
Glows.
Yes, it glows. I see. Wow, that's great. Did you have good dreams last night? Yeah. Okay, back in the craft room. Just realized I don't have any more rose gold vinyl, so might have to make a trip for that. Having a good morning so far. At least I got most of it done. So I'm gonna get done what I can with names and stuff, and then I'll run to the store later, I guess. So it's beautiful out right now, but they said we're probably gonna be getting some of those tropical bands coming through this afternoon. So I guess I need to really push out these things just in case our power does go out, because I don't want to have to hand turn anything. So back to work for me. I'm gonna finish up this leopard. I'm just gonna sweep all the glitter off of it here, and then it'll be ready for its epoxy. And then I had some straw toppers that I was doing that I need to add some details to. So that's what I'm gonna be doing first thing this morning. And then what else did I have to do? Oh, right, I had my witch's brew stuff that I had to get done, so I gotta get those done. I was a little nervous to add that decal to a regular curved tumbler for my witch's brew, but it actually turned out just fine, just as long as you keep it kind of centered in the middle where it starts to curve. That circle went on just fine. So my Cricut's still acting up and it won't cut things out in a perfect circle once I print them. So after I wasted the paper thinking my Cricut would cut it, I just went ahead and hand cut it. So I did it old school, you know. You got to do that sometimes, I guess, just kind of go old school on it and do everything by hand. I had a lot more on my table than this, but I wasn't gonna, you know, bore you guys with everything that I have to do. But I am going to show you real quick. I had this two-tone tumbler that I had to do because one side is one drink, one side's the other drink. And of course, my tape peeled up the paint, so I had to touch that up. I'm just letting you guys know, like I said, I'm not perfect. And sometimes you just have to forge forward and just make the best out of things that your happy accidents. Gotta try to keep it positive. That's why they're happy accidents. So all that other stuff was ready to come off, and all these were ready to go on. We had already went to the store and everything by then, and it's actually starting to rain now. So I'm really hoping the power does not go out. Really crossing my fingers for that. So the stuff I'm about to show you here is something new that I'm working on. Now, obviously, like I said, I like to try it out first, and then I see if I like it. It has kind of Halloween colors to it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. I also had a sunset to do. Honestly, this might be the last sunset I sell for the season. I haven't really sold too many more of these. Typically, these really sell at the beginning of the year because people are really excited for summer. So this might be one of the last ones I sell, actually until Christmas, because they tend to pick up again in Christmas, and then, you know, after that, don't really sell until about springtime. Here I'm just gonna finish up my straw toppers. They're ready for their final coat on the top of this side. I still have the other sides to do on these, but that is done there. Whew, it's hot. It might be storming and breezy outside, but it is hot in here. Holy cow. I moved on to my afternoon drink and I'm ready to just kind of relax. I still have more stuff I gotta do. My husband has actually been upstairs all day folding the laundry. I'm not exaggerating. That's how much laundry we go through. Honestly, if I could hire somebody to do my laundry, I would. There's just too many people in this house to keep track of that laundry. I felt like I was slacking today. I'm still gonna do another round, so I am gonna reach that spin in my 30 for the day, but I don't know, I just feel like I could have done more. I don't know, you ever feel like that? Maybe it's because I had a lot of crazy things happen in between with my spilling my glitter and paints peeling and whatnot, but whatever, right? It's all good. But I still need to go inside and clean my upstairs and think about dinner already, so I think I'm gonna go do that. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more vlogs or tutorials or things I have coming your way, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.